So hello my Prices family, and thanks so much for stopping by for today's quick video. And if you're new here, then go ahead and consider subscribing, clicking that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. Well, on today, it's really nighttime. It has been hot here in South Carolina. We've had some rainy days, and now it's just a heat wave. And in the afternoons, my family and I love to sit on our front porch. But the mosquitoes, the state bird of South Carolina, is trying to take over. So I had to do something to combat the state birds. So let's go outside and see what I did. Again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And let's go to the video. So I stopped by the CLM resale store and found this beautiful white bowl. I love the shape and the design of it. And I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. So from the resale store, I stopped to my Walmart for a few more essential pieces for, you have to wait and see what I put together. So while putting this together earlier today, you see all these little hands. That's right, I had my little cousins here on the ranch, and they wanted to help big cousin Trina out. So everyone, grab a handful and let's pour them in the bowl. So I think this is looking good, but no, I couldn't stop there. I went back to the resale store just to see if there was anything else that could make this project a little bit better. And when I walked in, I found this garden stool for only $20. And I thought, put it in the cart. I have to have it and take it home. And if you're enjoying this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. I'd appreciate it. So to my new visitors on today, I'm Katrina, and this is the Prices Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls, and every now and then, a quick DIY. If these are things that interest you, by all means, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, stay safe, Stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you on my next video.